So this is the setup for the reflection and absorption lab. So what we have our light sensor, which is this little box right here. Determines either there's channels for how bright the light is. There's a channel for breaking it apart into red, green, and blue. There's also a channel for detecting ultraviolet radiation. We also have a thermometer down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to lay a piece of paper. We're going to do different colors of paper, or we did different colors of paper, over top of the thermometer. And we're going to turn the light on here in a second. And what's going to happen is you're going to have a measurement of the amount of light reflected from the paper. And you're going to have the thermometer that's going to heat up over a 10-minute period while we're running this. So we'll come over here to our iPad here. We've already got it set up to where we have two sensors connected. So we've got the light sensor, which is the one on the top there, and then we've got the temperature probe on the bottom. So those are already connected. We got to set up our time here. And I've got a light reflected on this. That's annoying. So time-based is good. We're going to set this up to record data at 0.1 second intervals. So it's going to basically do a sample every 10 seconds. And we're going to set this to record for 600 seconds, which would be 10 minutes. Okay, so that's our setup for recording our data. And then it's pretty much a simple matter of, we come over here. Let's turn on our meters real quick, make sure we're actually getting some readings. Okay, so we do have a lux value, which that is the measure of how bright the light is. And then we have a temperature reading here right now of 24.4 degrees Celsius, which is pretty close to our room temperature of 24.3 degrees Celsius, which is pretty warm. Okay, so we're going to turn the light on, and then we're just going to hit collect and then let it run. So light, collect, and now it's recording data. And we are not going to sit here for 10 minutes watching it record data. But we are starting to get some data points showing up. Okay, we'll let that run.